Hey, hello guys. Welcome to Cosmic Skills. This is our HTML and CSS course. I hope you will like this course. So in this course, we are going to talk about everything from basics to advanced of HTML and CSS. And I hope that in end of this course, you will be able to create your own web pages. Okay, so this is our overview. In this video, we are going to see what we are going to learn in this course and what we will be able to do, what will be the outcome of this course. Okay, so we will start with introduction to HTML, history and introduction to HTML. This video will have a basic history of how HTML started and a basic introduction to it. And then we will end up by setting up the IDE. What is IDE? IDE is the editor in which you will code your web page. So next we will jump to get started. In this, you will learn about structure of HTML, heading, paragraph, comments, a bit of colors, link and list, tables, forms, inputs, etc. And one more thing, it's understanding displays. This is one of the main topics in HTML. And after all of this, you will be given an exercise by which you will be able to know how much you have learned and how much you are capable of. Okay, so after that, we are going to hop to CSS. So guys, only HTML is not sufficient to build a web page, because until and unless a web page is not creative, you anybody will not visit or anybody will not like your web page. Okay, so the next part will be CSS. In CSS, we will learn about classes, IDs, selectors, combinators. So in combinators, it will be how you combine the selectors, overflow colors, the background, and then after the basics, we will go to formatting with CSS, and you will be given an exercise. After CSS, we will jump to basic web techniques. Okay, so only learning the tags and the CSS formats is not alone enough to build a HTML or CSS web page. Okay, so you need to know a basic understanding of how colors are mixed, what font should be used, how images should be used, and this will help you to make your web page beautiful. So this is one of the most important sections in our course. So after that, we will hop to responsive web development. Okay, so you don't use your web page only in your PC or only in your phone. Okay, so you use across various devices of various resolution. What do I mean by resolution is different screen sizes. So your web page should be responsive in each and every screen size and each and every resolution. So in this session, we will focus on that thing, and this is a bit hard stuff, but you will get it. So there's only two part: making web page responsive, and then you will be provided an exercise. So after that, we will be mastering CSS. So the first CSS section we saw, it will only contain the basics of it, but after you have learned basics, we will jump to mastering the CSS. In this part, it will consist of animations, transitions, buttons, animating the buttons. Okay, so pop-ups and everything will be included in it, like gradients and shadows, different backgrounds and colors, etc. So example, we will see how round the borders and etc. And after everything, you will be provided an exercise as well. So after learning each and everything and mastering the CSS, I think it will be good time to jump to a first web page, which will be developed from the scratch. So this project will help you to know each and every basic steps a web developer have to go to build a web page, a basic web page, a static web page, or front end. It's not back end. So I hope this will help you, and that's it for the course. See you to the next lecture.